Hello students, this is the Pitman's Progressive Dictator, page 1. Catalog, K halved, upward L, gaze stroke above the line. Shirt waists, downward-ish, upward R halved, way with ST loop with S circle on the line. To order, to cut tick on the line, downward R doubled for order. Trusting, T with R hook, ST loop, NG on the line for trusting. VR, way upward with upward R on the line. Yours truly, downward RS circle T with R hook with upward L. Handkerchiefs, upward H NGR, NG double here with J with F hook with S circle above the line. Printed, P with R hook through the line and stroke T halved for D. Border, B above the line, downward R doubled. Best quality, B S circle on the line, K with L hook with T. Hem stitched, H tick M stroke S circle on the line with T with J halved. Early reply, downward R upward L on the line with P के साथ L का hook. These are the dictations at 60 words per minute on the topic dry goods. Be ready. Start. Gentlemen, kindly send us catalog containing prices of ladies' shirt waists. We should also like to know what the cost would be to have shirt waists of white Madras made to order in sizes 34 to 42. Trusting to be favored with a reply. We are yours truly. Next is be ready. Start on the speed of 60 words per minute. Gentlemen, kindly quote me price for linen handkerchiefs, men's size. I want something in a large handkerchief with a printed border. Also send me price of ladies' best quality linen handkerchiefs and children's small hem-stitched handkerchiefs. Requesting an early reply. I am yours truly.